Welcome to Bournemouth, one of the UK's most beloved seaside towns, where natural beauty meets vibrant energy. At the heart of Bournemouth lies its crown jewel, the stunning Bournemouth Beach. Stretching across 7 golden miles, it's been ranked among the top 25 beaches in Europe by TripAdvisor, and often holds the title of #1 beach in the UK. This isn't just a beach. It's an experience. Soft sands, clear waters, and a gentle sea breeze make it the perfect spot for relaxing, swimming, or just soaking in the views. And right on the beach is the iconic Bournemouth Pier, a historic structure that's home to arcades, cafes, and even a zip line that soars across the sea. It's a place where nostalgia and adventure collide, offering something for every age and energy level. Just a short stroll from the coast, you'll find the lively town center, filled with shops, restaurants, bars, and entertainment venues. From high street favorites to independent boutiques, the town offers a blend of seaside charm and city convenience. Whether you're walking through the beautifully kept gardens, catching live music, or enjoying fish and chips on the beach, Bournemouth wraps you in a feeling of joy and freedom. Easily accessible from London and beyond, Bournemouth continues to win hearts as one of Europe's top coastal escapes. And once you arrive, you'll understand why.
Your mercy never fails me, for your mercy. I want you every day of my life. I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me. I want you every day of my life. Oh, I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me. I want you every day of my life. Oh, I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me. I want you every day of my life. I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me. I want you every day of my life. I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me.